The tech world is currently standing on the precipice of a monumental shift in mobile computing. And at the center of this storm lies a device that has redefined the meaning of pocketable power for over a decade. For months, the rumors surrounding the iPad Mini 8 have been swirling like a digital tempest, promising a leap so significant it threatens to blur the lines between a handheld companion and a professional-grade workstation. This isn't just another incremental update. It is a total reimagining of what a small form factor tablet can achieve in an era dominated by AI and relentless hardware innovation. As we look toward the 2026 release cycle, the excitement isn't just about a faster chip or a brighter screen. It's about the fundamental philosophy of the Mini. We are looking at a device designed for the elite creator, the mobile professional, and the tech enthusiast who refuses to compromise on performance simply because of size. The iPad Mini has always been the wild card in the lineup, and this year, the wild card is playing to win. The heartbeat of the iPad Mini 8 is whispered to be a specialized variant of the latest silicon architecture, a chip so efficient and powerful that it brings desktop-class capabilities to a frame you can hold in one hand. Imagine rendering 8K video timelines or running complex architectural simulations while sitting in a coffee shop or commuting. This is the reality the 2026 model aims to deliver. But the power is only half the story. The display technology is rumored to undergo its most significant transformation since the introduction of the Retina display. We are talking about a move toward Tandem OLED technology, providing deep, inky blacks and a peak brightness that makes outdoor usage not just possible, but breathtaking. The inclusion of promotion is no longer a maybe. It is a necessity for a device that wants to be taken seriously in 2026. This means every scroll, every animation, and every stroke of the stylus will feel fluid and instantaneous, eliminating the jelly scrolling ghosts of the past once and for all. But why does the iPad Mini 8 matter so much right now? It's because the way we consume and create content has shifted toward hypermobility. The giant tablets are great for desks, but the Mini 8 is for the world. In this script, we are diving deep into the leaked schematics that suggest a thinner bezel, a more ergonomic chassis, and a thermal management system that allows the processor to scream without throttling. We will explore the integration of the next generation of neural engines, designed specifically to handle local AI tasks without relying on the cloud. This means real-time language translation, advanced photo manipulation, and predictive workflows happening right on your device, securely and instantly. The iPad Mini 8 is being positioned as the ultimate AI-first handheld, and the implications for your productivity are staggering. As we peel back the layers of these leaks, we also have to talk about the ecosystem. The iPad Mini 8 isn't just a solo act. It's the conductor of a digital symphony. With the rumored introduction of a more versatile USB-C standard, possibly even Thunderbolt integration, the Mini 8 becomes a hub. Connect it to an external 6K display, and it transforms into a desktop. Disconnect it, and it's your digital notebook. The synergy between the new hardware and the upcoming software updates promises a multitasking experience that finally utilizes every square inch of that 8.3-inch canvas. This is the device that makes you question why you ever carried a laptop. We are seeing a convergence of portability and professional utility that we've never seen before, and the iPad Mini 8 is the spearhead of this revolution. Stay with us as we break down the battery innovations that promise all-day endurance even under heavy creative loads. We'll look at the redesigned camera systems that aren't just for video calls, but for high-fidelity document scanning and AR applications that feel more real than ever. We are entering a new era of the iPad, and the Mini 8 is the most exciting chapter yet. This is everything we know, every secret uncovered, and every reason why the iPad Mini 8 is about to become the most sought-after piece of technology in 2026. The wait is almost over, and the future is smaller, faster, and more powerful than you ever imagined.